beautiful Iceland. Look at where we are, turn around. This is too cool. We are just out in the middle of nowhere farmland. This is so cool, you guys, it's gorgeous here. It's freezing. We are so glad that we brought big stinking puffers.
Yeah, we got big puffy coats, beanies, we got boots. I think we're ready. It's still cold. My hands are freezing.
My hands are so cold.
I never like to wear gloves though. I never like to wear gloves when I have my camera or my drone.
Your hands don't get that cold though, I don't feel like.
I know, I feel like I'm not as affected as it by you, so.
No, like his hands and feet I feel like never get cold. My hands and feet are always cold, but by body temperature, I'm usually the hot one. And when we're like inside, I'm like, babe, it's hot in here. But then we go outside in the cold and I'm like, I'm freezing.
I know. We got Chelle nice and bundled. Look at the sky today.
Oh!
Guys, it's clear and it's blue.
Clear blue skies.
And holy smokes, did we sleep good in this place.
13 hours good.
I think that was the best sleep I've had in my life.
I cannot believe how much we slept.
Like the pillows were fine, the bed was fine, but
so comfortable.
Just
it was
so
perfect.
comfortable. We slept, I don't know, we've never done that in our life.
We were so stinking tired yesterday. We went to bed literally, I think it was like 6:30 or 7 p.m. and we just went to
we
bed.
got up at 8 a.m. You could tell we're not getting an early start. Like it's full on daytime right now, and you guys know daytime does not come early here. We're gonna hit the road, guys. We have some fun stuff we want to do today. We're gonna tackle a little thing called the Golden Circle.
What? Sorry, I'm really feeling it.
And just put it right here. A lot of cool sights, a lot of cool things to see on that route. Hey, Chelle.
Oh, hi.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Put Chelle in the driver's seat. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh, I don't want to touch that door handle. Hi, honey. I know. We just drove down the street a little bit from our Airbnb. Literally, we can see it right now. And these cute horses are right here, and I just love them so much. They seem so friendly and sweet. They just come right up to you. They heard the car and they came right over to the fence and saw us. They're so cute.
Guess who came out to play?
The sunshine! No, not me. I did come out to play. Yes, yes,
Well,
yes.
Chelle's always out to play. Sun finally came out from behind these thick clouds out there. And holy crap, it's bright.
It is so bright, but it is so beautiful. You guys, we are so excited. We just got to a really cool place.
There's hot baths down here, but what we actually came for was there's a geothermal bakery. We're gonna do this. They go out and they bury bread and other things under the ground where it's nice and warm, and it bakes under the ground in the dirt.
It's insane.
Anyways, we're gonna go dig up a loaf and try it. I'm really excited about this. I think it's really cool and like really different, and I'm hungry, so.
Fresh baked bread from underground with homemade delicious Icelandic butter. I can't wait.
Here, I'm gonna flip this around, guys. It feels really nice. It's amazing.
It's amazing what just the sun visible can do temperature-wise.
It's that radiative heat, babe. We just cooked bread right there in the ground.
So stinking cool, you guys. So right now we are covered in steam because we are at a natural hot spring and it's huge.
This area right here is very geothermal. You can see, like, listen. It's just boiling water bubbling right there. You can toss a couple eggs in there and boil them in like 8 to 10 minutes.
I know, I kind of wish we had our eggs that we bought.
We bought eggs.
Because we could just boil some eggs right there. It would have been so cool. But you guys, this was so awesome. We came out here and the guy dug up bread that had been in the ground for 24 hours baking.
I found something. Let's take it from the ground. Oh, that's And the reason why we have to open it right away, let's go over there.
And then we put in a new pot of bread to bake for another 24 hours. That's what this giant mound is right here that you can't see because we're covered in steam.
This is, and just put it right here in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
And then we went inside and we had some, and it was honestly, it was so delicious. It was like cake-like. It was so dense and delicious.
Ooh. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's
Beautiful.
Rye bread from the earth. It feels like cake. Oh, it's good. It's like chewy.
Really?
It's really good. It's super sweet. I think my baking shows would approve.
It's like a slice of pizza.
So we have to try it with no butter first. A slice of pizza.
Chewy and dense.
It is really dense.
I want to go for some butter now.
Okay, go.
I was here 2 years ago actually.
Good both ways, honestly, but butter's always good. I may say this wrong. This town is called Laugarvatn, and we were just in Laugarvatn Fontana, which is the name of the geothermal bakery that brought us out here to cook this bread in the earth. So that was extremely unique, I felt like.
Super cool. They said that this is all public land area though, so like if we knew how to or wanted to come and bake some of our own stuff, they said you can come out here and cook meat, all sorts of stuff. You just have to dig down far enough to where you get to boiling water, and then you put whatever into the boiling water. At least halfway, I think he said it has to be covered with boiling water, and then you cover it back up and you leave it for 24 hours and it bakes delicious bread. We took a picture of the recipe. It's a family recipe.
It is passed down by generations, and they're just handing it out.
It's pretty cool.
But you gotta have a geothermal oven or something.
You
to
do.
cook it.
Or you can bake it in your own oven at home. He said at a lame temperature, but it's like, who wants to do that? But you guys, we're super excited. We have a ton more places we want to hit along the Golden Circle, so we're gonna get going.
Alright guys, we got some geysers out here. A lot of geothermal activity in this area also. There are a few geysers here, but this is the only active one. This is called Strokkur, and we've been seeing it going off, walking up from the parking lot. Looks like it goes maybe every 4 to 5 minutes, so.
It's pretty stinking cool. You can see it like the, oh gosh!
We're walking on ice out here, straight ice. Not only do you see like the water go up, but it's like hot water. So this whole big puff ball of steam.
It's like this giant billowing steam smoke looking thing that just goes poof like a giant cloud in the sky. It's freaking cool.
Pretty awesome. Here at the very top of the Golden Circle, and what that is, it's like a road that has just tons of stuff to see all the way around it, and near the top is Gullfoss. This is a massive waterfall, tons of layers just cascading down into this river, and even the canyon down there looks incredibly cool.
It's so cool.
We're actually like getting misted up here.
Yeah, we're getting wet. It just like blows on you and mists you, and our camera lenses are getting all mistied.
I know, we're not even close to it. It's way back there, but like the mist from the falls is coming all the way up here, and it's kind of cool seeing it all snow covered. I think a lot of the coastal areas are not snowed in yet, whereas up here we're like way inland right now, and it is definitely covered in snow. Kind of cool to see this stuff though in the wintertime.
All right, you guys, we found one of the coolest hot springs, and it's just out in the middle of nowhere. They just have like a little honesty box where you can pay if you want. Obviously, we're going to because this is way too cool. And it's just like out in the middle of nowhere behind these mountains. They have like a tiny little hut, and it looks so cool. I cannot wait to go get in. this is warm. Oh yeah, it is. It totally is. You freezing? Okay, we just got up to these beautiful hot springs and they feel so good. They're not too hot, which I actually like because I feel like I can stay in here for a really long time. And it's so beautiful. The sun's starting to set and it's seriously so beautiful up here. I love this.
This feels so good. Oh, it's fogging up. Got Chelle back there. This thing is pretty big. And then there's a couple more pools that cascade down that way. And there's also one in front of this little hut there that we changed in. The hut's cool because the water flows through it and it's super warm in there and they kind of use it as a changing room. Freaking awesome. Oh man, it's cold out here, guys, and this feels so good. Hey, Chelle.
Oh, hi.
This is a good find. Alright, we've got to try one of these other pools.
Freaking cold. Should we get in this one? Ow!
Don't fall.
This one's not as warm.
Maybe I'll pass on that one.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just not very deep.
You gotta do a back float. Alright, well, we just changed back in the hut. And it was
grass-covered hut.
That was awesome. It's cool that they provide that.
So stinking awesome. Obviously someone built that hut. I don't think it was built for the purpose of changing, but it makes for a great changing area. We believe that that place was called Hrunalaug. I really am so sorry if I butchered the pronunciation there because I don't know exactly how to say it, but that's how it looks like it would be said if I'm going off of the alphabet that I know. Hrunalaug, I think.
Yeah, the Icelandic
Sounds
words
like run
aren't the
along.
easiest. I always try, guys, to look up things and figure out how to say them before I have to say them.
Yeah, we always try and like listen to them.
But I don't always have time and I don't always have internet to
Yeah, we
figure
don't always
exactly
have
out how to
service
say
to
it.
do that.
So we do our best here. But Hrunalaug,
Hrunalaug.
hot springs, totally epic. That
So
was insanely
worth it.
cool. I'm really glad we did that.
Me too,
And I'm
that
really
was
glad we
so
find it.
cool.
It actually took us a couple tries.
Okay, so
to
this is a
find
single
it,
file
but-
trail.
Single file trail here. Hiking out in the snow. Anyways, today has been epic. We need to get something to eat. We're gonna head back into Selfoss, I think, try and find something to satisfy that hunger.
Our hunger. We had our snacks. We had some PB&Js for lunch that we packed. They were great. But you know what? We're hungry again.
Okay, eyes on the trail.
Yeah, eyes on the trail here. Eyes on the trail.
And there's our car.
Hot, babe. They've got burgers.
All right, we made it back to Selfoss, and now we are in the drive-through line for
Of something that Daniel cannot stop thinking or talking about. He's very, very excited.
When we got here our first night, we noticed this place. I think I'm gonna take a stab here. Pylsu Vagninn. I'm gonna try to figure it out. The line here in the drive-through, when we first pulled into town yesterday, was very long, which always means it's probably pretty good, right? So tonight, we came and we got in the drive-through line. It's still very long. Some guy just left because he was upset, done waiting.
Oh, is she taking orders?
Oh, and we have a lady taking orders out here, just like Chick-fil-A.
Well, we don't know what we want yet.
Here at Pylsu Vagninn.
What was that, sir?
Guys, I think they're hot dogs. I think they're like hot
It's
dogs of some
100%
kind.
hot dogs.
And so I'm kind of excited about it.
Daniel loves hot dogs.
It's very close to my birthday, so I'm gonna indulge here and grab a couple dogs. I'm excited.
Thank you.
And this one is the Pylsu.
Okay, thank you.
Where to put this?
I have no idea. Thank you. Do you have something we could put these in or no?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, thank you. And then I need to pay you. Here is our Icelandic hot dogs. I actually don't know what they're native to. I got one with cheese and french fries, and Daniel got one with paprika and cheese, and then a side of french fries. Wow, yours has a lot more sauce on there.
Oh, good.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Look how they like crisscross cut the hot dog. Wow, this looks like a stomach ache. That's good.
Is it really?
Oh yeah, it's just a hot dog.
It's just a hot
I
dog.
don't know why they call it deep fried. I thought it was
mean-
gonna be a corn dog.
Ooh, I smell the paprika and the garlic.
You a fan?
It's saucy. That's
Did
good.
Like a wheezy.
It's got like fried cheese on top.
I know.
That's all cheese. This is good.
Yeah.
Pylsu Vagninn. I don't remember what it's called. Don't think we could have asked for better weather today. Or a better itinerary. Is that what you were gonna say?
I was gonna say, or a better day. Today was perfect. Honestly, it was so amazing. The weather was perfect. Everything we did was so awesome. But you know what, you guys? Tomorrow I can already feel is going to be better because we actually have a really special day tomorrow. And if any of you have any idea what tomorrow is, drop down in the comments because we're celebrating someone very special to me.
Oh boy. I gave it away. It's my birthday.
It's Daniel's birthday!
Comment down below anyways. Wish me a happy birthday. I would love it. I read all your comments and I love them.
We are so excited. We are here for Daniel's birthday and we have something so insane planned tomorrow for his birthday that we cannot wait to bring you all along with. You guys, make sure you come back tomorrow to see what it is.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.